Hi friends, I'm Myra with Vial Designs, and in this video I'm going to show you how to write February in calligraphy as well as other easy hand lettering styles. I'm going to be using this worksheet from my 5 ways to letter the months of the year, and as always I'm going to be putting links to everything down below. The first way we're going to be writing February is with Faux calligraphy. I'm going to use my Link Glitter Gel pen with Faux calligraphy. We are imitating the look of calligraphy, and so basically we're going to be writing the letter and then we're going to be adding an outline to thicken the downstroke. So that means every time your pen goes downward, then you add an outline, and then you can leave the outline without filling, or you can fill it up just like I did here. And so just remember, for faux calligraphy, you only add the outlines every time your pen is moving downward. And this is how we are imitating the look of calligraphy. So we're doing calligraphy using a regular pen. I wanted to keep this video real time to show you exactly how slow you should be doing when you're doing faux calligraphy or calligraphy in general. As you can see here, I'm also adding the outlines to each stroke of the letter. This is a pro tip that can also help you with letter consistency. The second way that we're going to be writing February is with modern calligraphy. And I'm going to be using the Zebra Faux brush pen. I really do like these pens for beginners because they are easy to control when you're doing calligraphy. And so remember, when your pen goes up, you don't apply pressure. When it goes down, you apply pressure. Now, tips to better your calligraphy: make sure you go as slow as I'm going here in the video, and also pause in between each stroke that you're making. This is not cursive lettering, so you should not be writing continuously. Making that pause in between strokes is gonna help you to get better letter forms. Moving on to the third way that we write in February is with bounce lettering. The difference between bounce lettering and regular modern calligraphy is that, as you can see here, some of the letters are like bouncing out of the page, and this style of calligraphy is a lot more playful. I'm still using the Zebra Foam Worry in the color pink. Same rules apply for bounce lettering. Make sure you go slow, pausing between each stroke. Now, these worksheets are for you to have a guide for you to practice. Practicing with worksheets is going to help you to create the muscle memory that you need to create and do calligraphy on your own. Now, you do have another place over here to practice. I'm going to go ahead and do that, just because I didn't really love how the first one looks, and that is completely fine. This is why you have another line in the worksheets for you to keep practicing. Now, I wanted to mention that these worksheets are better print using quality paper, since you're using your brush pens to practice. So I do recommend using a smooth paper. I'm using the HP 32-pound printer paper to print them, and that's going to protect your brush pens. If you don't have this paper, you can print them in regular printer paper and then use a tracing paper. So what you can do is that you can put the worksheet and then practice over it, and this way you can practice a lot of times. The fourth way that we're gonna write February in calligraphy is with Flourished calligraphy, and I'm using this Le Pen Flex. Now, for this Flourished calligraphy part, I want you to pay close attention to where the thick and the thin strokes are, because that's going to give you an idea of where you should start each letter. For example, here with the F, we're going to start up here with a thick stroke. We're going to go down, up, and so continue to pay attention to the thick and the thin strokes. And as you can see, the Flourished calligraphy is a very elegant style of calligraphy, and it has these beautiful flourishes, or, 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 to some of the letters. Now let me know in the comments if you would like to learn how to do flourishes. I've been thinking of doing a video tutorial on flourishes, so if this is something that you would like, be sure to leave that in the comments. Last but definitely not least, the fifth way that we're gonna write February is with block lettering. Block lettering is one of my favorite lettering styles to use in my bullet journal and my planner. And if you want to dive even deeper into learning calligraphy, lettering, and even doodling, I invite you to join my Patreon membership where I give you monthly hand lettering worksheets, printables, step-by-step doodling guides, as well as video tutorials so you can continue learning, practicing, and be more creative. I hope this video was helpful for you February lettering practice. Remember, the best way to support my channel is to leave a comment, like, and subscribe, share with your friends. And if you want even more lettering styles for February, make sure you check out this video because I show you other super fun hand lettering styles that you can do for February. I'll see you there.